Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assembling materials and deciding card dimensions. This saves time and keeps edges neat. Once you have cardstock, colored layers, and adhesives, score the card center and fold slowly to avoid cracking. Make sure to test fit decorative panels and measure 1/8 in borders so your design sits centered. You should sketch the main motif lightly with pencil, Diya, Rangali, or floral, because a simple plan prevents wasted cuts and gives a clear path forward. You now create depth by layering papers. Cut each piece slightly smaller than the one beneath so borders show. Once done, apply glue sparingly. Too much warps the paper, so use a tape runner or glue dot for small accents. Make sure to position the focal element, Diya or greeting, centered, then add foam tape for raised pieces if you want dimension. You can emboss a background or sprinkle a little glitter. The key is contrast so elements read clearly. You finish by writing your message neatly and adding final embellishments, making sure ink is dry before closing the card. Once done, tuck the card into a properly sized envelope and consider a sticker seal or wax for a festive touch. If glue smudges or layers shift, gently lift the affected piece, remove excess adhesive with a toothpick, and reattach with a small dab of glue. Press under a heavy book for 10-15 minutes to set and flatten any warping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.